What is up, you guys? We are back here in Vegas, and we're here because of the rewards. Now, I tell everybody who comes to the casino, the first thing you should do is get signed up for the rewards program. The rewards program, they're gonna basically give you something back for spending all that money that you're already gonna spend in the casino. For this video, I'm gonna focus on the MGM rewards because that's where I'm at. That's the card I have. Now, a lot of people don't know this. There are two types of rewards. You have your rewards players card, which have different tiers, starting with, I think, gold going all the way up to noir, where they basically give you everything. I'm a Pearl status member, which gives me quite a few things. But let me tell you how I got this Pearl status. Now, I'm not some high roller that can just jump all the way up to Pearl status. But there is a trick. There is another way to get Pearl status for free. The way you get Pearl status for free is you need to sign up for the MGM Rewards credit card. And I know you're gonna say, it's a credit card, bad, but it has some great benefits. When you sign up for that rewards credit card with MGM, it's gonna instantly upgrade you to Pearl status, and Pearl status has some great benefits that if you come to Vegas quite a bit, you're gonna really like it. Once you sign up and you get upgraded to Pearl status, it gives you free parking at all MGM resorts. Now that we live here in Vegas, oh, if you didn't know that, we live here in Vegas, we have friends and family and stuff that come over and they want to visit the different resorts on the Strip. And guess what? There's MGM properties throughout the Strip, so even if we're not going to an MGM property, I can park for free at an MGM property and just walk maybe across the street or next door to a Caesars casino or one of the other casinos, and I get free parking. You guys know that parking is like 15 to 20 bucks basically at all the different resorts. We're staying at Excalibur tonight because of another free perk that we have because of our reward status. But instead of paying the $15 or $18 parking, I get it for free. So Pearl status will not get you a skip the line pass. It gets you priority check-in. But the MGM Rewards credit card will get you priority check-in, which is right there. So I'd rather have one person in front of me instead of like 20 or 30. So next time you're in that long check-in line, just think, if you had the card, you could skip it. So another benefit of being a Pearl member, which I got through the rewards card, is free concerts. And that brings us to this weekend. We are here this weekend because Pearl members and above at MGM are invited to see the Zac Brown Band over at the MGM Grand for free. They will give us 2 complimentary tickets for free. All you have to do is spend one night in one of their hotels this weekend. Because I wanted to stay over at the MGM Grand, but it was like $300 to $400 a night. So because of that, we ended up at the Excalibur, which is only $99 this Saturday night. But guess what? They also gave me a comp night because I'm a rewards member on Friday night. So I got to stay 2 nights for $100. Obviously, I have to pay resort fees and taxes. So that'll come out to about $200 versus staying over at the MGM Grand for about $400 to $500. You might have heard mixed reviews about the Excalibur, but let me tell you, I've stayed here twice now, and both times, this is probably one of the best budget-friendly hotels on the Strip. I mean, the rooms are a little dated, but they were super clean. So basically, for 200 bucks, we're gonna see a free concert from Zac Brown Band, which I think is an awesome band, 2 nights stay, and I do have some free slot play too because of my rewards. And obviously, if you want some comps, you're gonna have to spend a little money and play some games, but you can also earn comps by eating at the restaurants, and yeah. So you can eat and play, which you already came here to do, and earn some comps. We have made it to the reason we are here, the free concert, because we are a Pearl member at MGM and their rewards program.